Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Jasper credit card. And I also want to talk to you guys about another credit card. Now, I got a comment yesterday when I was going live and they said, hey, you should tell everybody about the Jasper credit card because I got a $5,000 limit with them 2 months after bankruptcy, which is really amazing. So if you guys file bankruptcy and you need to get credit cards, definitely watch this. And they also said they got $1,000 limit on another credit card, and I'm going to review that credit card for you shortly. Now, I did some research on the Jasper credit card, and I see that someone else left a review stating that they actually got $3,500 for that credit card after they filed that bankruptcy. After the bankruptcy was discharged, and they actually got their TransUnion credit report pulled also. So they're going to pull TransUnion to get this credit card. But I want to go over this credit card with you, and then I want to go over the next credit card just in case you need to get just more than one credit card. Now, if you want to get this credit card, understand that you are going to get a pull to your TransUnion credit report. So you're going to get that hard inquiry on your TransUnion credit report. If you have a lot of derogatories on your TransUnion credit reports, I suggest that you guys tread lightly because you may not get approved for this credit card. But if you do get approved, then understand that you're going to get 6% cash back, and you can get up to that 6% cash back when you're referring friends. And when you refer friends, your friends will get additional cash back also, and you would also get additional cash back too. Now, even though people said that they got up to $5,000, $3,500, they can actually give you a limit up to $15,000. So you can get more than just that $5,000 or $3,500. And your APR is going to be 15.49% all the way up to 24.99%. So you're going to, they're going to figure out what they're going to charge you for your interest based off your credit. So if your credit is really good, then you can think, okay, I may get the best interest rate that they can offer, but understand that that doesn't mean that you're going to definitely get that 15.49% just because your credit is really good. It may be other factors that may go into it. And the best part about this card is that you don't have any annual fee. So you guys know that I love credit cards without the annual fee because you don't want to have to keep paying on that card every year just to keep it open, especially when your credit is, very, very good. And this was like one of your starter cards. You don't want to keep a card that you have to pay on every year because you're going to eventually cancel it. And canceling credit cards can drop your credit score. So this is information for that 1% cash back. So you're going to start with a 6% cash back. You're going to start with that 1% cash back. And then every friend that you refer, you will both get an extra 1% cash back for the full year. So you can get up to 6 people. Basically, well, I'll say adding 5 additional people will get you your 6% cash back for the year, which is really good. Now, don't forget, cashback don't mean anything if you're not paying your full statement balance every time your statement is due, every time on your due date. If you're not paying that full statement balance, then you're being charged interest. And if you're getting charged interest, don't forget they're charging you 15.49% all the way up to 24.99%. And that's a lot. You can now outdo that interest. So you want to make sure you're paying your bill off every month by your due date, your full statement balance. Now, if you guys want to apply for this credit card, all you have to do is click right here on start applying and then go through their application process. So I started doing the application process just to see how everything was going. But what they want you to do is they want you to put your first and last name in. If you got a promotion code, definitely go ahead and put your promotion code in. But if not, just read the e-sign consent agreement and then check that box. You can sign in with your Google account, or you can actually enter an email address and a password, and then you'll create a new account instead of just using your Google. Now, don't forget, they are going to pull your TransUnion credit reports. So you can get up to $15,000 with this card. They're going to pull your TransUnion credit report. Now, they also said they got approved for another card. So the other card that they said they got approved for was a $1,000 card with Mission Lane, a $1,000 credit limit with Mission Lane. Now, I talked to you guys about the Mission Lane. I told you how it was very easy to get this credit card. I'm pretty sure Credit Karma was suggesting that you even get this credit card too. But it's a very easy credit card that you guys can get. You don't have to worry about putting a deposit down on it, activation fees. You don't have over the limit fees. So this may be a very good credit card, especially if you file bankruptcy and you want to try to get an additional credit card. This credit card accepts people after bankruptcy. Some credit cards don't accept people after bankruptcy. But if you want to sign up for this credit card, all you have to do is click right here to see if I'll be pre-approved. See if I'll be approved. So they're going to go ahead and see if they can approve you for their card, and you're not going to get a hard hit to your credit score. But if you qualify, they're going to have to do a hard hit and you're going to get that inquiry. But you'll go ahead and put your information in, and they'll let you know if they could pre-qualify you. And again, you're not going to get a hard inquiry. So that's the best thing I like about this card, is that you could possibly get this credit card without having a you can apply to see if you can get approved for this credit card without having a hard inquiry. But with the Jasper credit card, they're definitely going to pull your TransUnion credit report. And, you know, if they pull your TransUnion credit report, you're going to get that hard inquiry, whether they can approve you or not. So definitely go ahead and see if you can get approved for this card. Now, if you guys follow me for a while, then you know I told you all about the shopping cart trick, where you can get credit cards with the shopping cart trick. That means no hard inquiry, no credit check. And I told you all that I wanted you to opt into a company, a small credit bureau called Factor Trust, and also the opt-out pre-screen. Now, I told people to opt into the Factor Trust and the opt-out pre-screen so that credit card companies can know that they want to get a credit card. So this is one of those companies that if you opt into both of these companies, they'll send you offers in the mail. You'll know this by looking where it says respond to a mail offer. That means that they're mailing an offer to all of the people that they think would be a great fit for their credit card. And all you have to do to get these type of offers is to actually fill out your application with Factor Trust. So you want to make sure that you're opting in and you're not opting out. Go ahead and click submit. And you want to put your first and last name in, social security number, your date of birth, your address with your city, state, and zip code, and put your email address in. I tell everybody, if you're going to do the shopping cart trick where you can actually get credit cards on the internet and not just wait on the mail, I tell people to wait 5 days. And if you're waiting to get letters and offers in the mail, I'll tell you all, just wait a month or two and you'll start seeing them all come in the mail. Now, another company I want you to make sure that you're opting into is the opt-out pre-screen. Usually people want to opt out if they don't want to get these letters in the mail. They want to just opt out. They tired of getting all these letters. They'll opt out saying, hey, don't send me anything. Do not include me in any list. But in our case, we want to get the letter. So you want to make sure that you're opting in and not opting out. So let's go ahead and click continue. You're going to put your first and last name in, your social security number, your date of birth. You're going to go ahead and put your address with your city, state, and zip code. And then they are actually asking for your phone number, and I suggest that you all put your phone number in, because if you put your phone number in, it's going to make it easier for you all to do the shopping cart trick. And then you want to go ahead and put your security code in and click confirm. Like I said, wait 5 days. If you're going to do the shopping cart trick, definitely go ahead and wait those 5 days. And I made sure I did that pop-up to show you how to do the shopping cart trick, how we was able to get someone $3,000 visa doing the shopping cart trick. So go ahead and wait those 5 days. You can try immediately because you may already be in a system. You may not even know about it. You may already be in their systems. So you could try immediately, but wait 5 days for the shopping cart trick and wait a month or two to try to see if you're going to get those letters in the mail. But if you file bankruptcy, you need to get a credit card. Definitely look into getting a Jasper credit card and a Mission Lane credit card. Those are 2 credit cards that you guys can go ahead and apply for. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. And if you have negative accounts on your credit reports and you're getting denied, then you really need to get those negative accounts removed from your credit reports. And the best way of doing that is to contact the credit bureaus and tell them to delete these accounts. I have my exclusive credit membership where I teach everyone all about this. So definitely go ahead and look into my exclusive credit membership. I always have a video after all of my videos showing the exclusive credit membership, but definitely sign up. Let's work to get those accounts removed from your credit reports. If you're looking to get a house, definitely contact me too. Don't forget, I have a real estate brokerage, so I can definitely help you all buy your dream home. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.